Hi. Welcome to WEFWorld. My name is Lark. Today, WEFWorld will be taking us on a tour of the headquarter campuses of 3 US-based churches. The first is Christian Science, based in Boston, Massachusetts. The second is the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, headquartered in Salt Lake City, Utah. The final is Unity Church, based in Unity Village, Missouri. All 3 campuses have grand settings and beautiful architecture. Enjoy the tour. First, we will visit the Christian Science campus in Boston. The original Romanesque Revival Stone Mother Church, designed by Franklin I. Welch, was completed in December 1894. Added in 1904 to 1906, the Mother Church extension is a domed neoclassical style structure. It has one of the world's largest pipe organs, built in 1952 by the Aeolian Skinner Company of Boston. The sanctuary, located on the 2nd floor, seats around 3,000. Designed in the 1960s by the firm I.M. Pei and Partners, the 13.5-acre Christian Science Plaza along Huntington Avenue includes a large administration building, a colonnade, a reflecting pool and fountain, and reflection hall. The plaza is a fine example of the brutalist style. The Mary Baker Eddy Library is housed on the site in an 11-story structure. Constructed between 1932 and 1934, the neoclassical style building with its maparium, a walk-through inside-out globe of the world in 1934, has become an historic landmark in Boston's Back Bay. The entire campus is a popular tourist site. Our next stop is Temple Square in Salt Lake City, Utah. The square is a 10-acre complex, owned by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and it is located in the center of Salt Lake City. Several other church facilities are immediately adjacent to the square. Contained within the square itself are the Temple, Tabernacle, Assembly Hall, the Sequel Monument, and 2 visitor centers. Many different architectural styles are represented across the different buildings. The 1853 temple is the centerpiece of the square. Like other Latter-day Saint temples, the church and its members consider it sacred. There are no public tours inside as there are for other adjacent buildings on the square. The temple is built in Neo-Gothic and Romanesque styles. The Tabernacle, home of the Tabernacle Choir, was built in 1867 to accommodate the church's general conferences, with a seating capacity of 8,000. The Assembly Hall was later built with a seating capacity of 2,000. Unity Village is the world headquarters of Unity Church, which has over 2 million followers. The Unity Tower was designed by the Kansas City firm Boileau and Locke and built in 1929 to store water. The Mediterranean-styled Central Plaza was designed by S. Waldo Rickert Fillmore, the second son of Unity founders Charles and Myrtle Fillmore. The first 2 village buildings, the Tower and the original Silent Unity building, were finished in 1929. Building continued until 1989, when Rickert Fillmore's master plan was completed, 24 years after his death. The largest building on the campus is in the New Formalism style, and it features a grand colonnade. Unity Village also includes a golf course, a bookstore, a cafe, and the large central court dominated by a series of pools and fountains. Unity Village features a large flower and sculpture garden surrounding the tower. Due in part to its beauty, Unity Village is often used as a background for professional photographers. I hope you enjoyed our visit to these beautiful church headquarters. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Please become a patron at www.patreon.com/AtlantaMusicCritic. William Ford produced this video. If you would like a custom video produced with your material, contact William at wef400@gmail.com. This is Lark. Thanks for watching WEF World.